Let me tell you something important. Most English learners are not bad at English. They just don't know how to build sentences correctly. You may understand English when you read or listen, but when it's time to speak, you hesitate. You start thinking about grammar, you worry about tenses, you translate in your head, and suddenly a simple sentence feels difficult. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact system behind English sentences, how they are built, how to expand them, and how to speak without confusion. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand sentence structure in a way that makes speaking much easier. Let's begin. Part 1. What is a sentence, really? Before we build sentences, we need to understand something simple. What is a sentence? A sentence is not many words together. A sentence is a complete idea. That's it. If your listener understands a complete idea, you made a sentence. For example, I'm tired. That is a complete idea. She works. Complete idea. They are studying. Complete idea. English sentences are built like small machines. Each word has a role. When the roles are correct, the sentence works. When one part is missing, the sentence breaks. So today we are going to understand these roles. Part 2. The foundation of every English sentence. Every basic English sentence has three main parts: subject, verb, sometimes object. Let's slow down. Subject, who or what we are talking about. Verb, the action or state. Object, what receives the action. Example, I drink coffee. I is subject. Drink is verb. Coffee is object. Now look at this. She is happy. She is subject. Is verb. Happy is subject complement. Notice something very important. English always needs a verb. In some languages, you can say, she happy, but in English, this is wrong. English requires a verb, even if there is no action. That's why we say, she is happy. They are ready. I am tired. This is one of the biggest secrets in sentence building. Never forget the verb. The verb is the heart of the sentence. Part 3. Building simple sentences. First, many learners make a mistake. They try to build long, complicated sentences immediately. That creates stress. Instead, master simple sentences first. For example, I work. I work every day. I work every day at a hospital. See what happened? We started simple, then we added information. English sentences grow step by step, not all at once. If you can build 50 strong simple sentences, you can later turn them into complex ones. Confidence comes from simplicity. Part 4. Understanding sentence order. English has a fixed word order: subject, verb, object. You cannot change it freely. Correct? She bought a car. Incorrect? Bought she a car? Word order in English is strict. This is very important. In questions, the order changes. She is tired. Is she tired? She can swim. Can she swim? When asking questions, the verb often moves before the subject. Understanding this pattern removes confusion. Part 5. How to expand your sentences. Now let's grow sentences naturally. Start with, he studies. Add time. He studies at night. Add place. He studies at night in his room. Add reason. He studies at night in his room because he has exams. See the pattern? English sentences expand like building blocks. Core sentence, add details, add more details. You don't need complicated grammar. You just need structure. Part 6, using connectors. To make your sentences more natural, use connectors and, but, because, so, although. Example, I wanted to go outside, but it was raining. She studied hard, so she passed the exam. Connectors join ideas. They make your English sound fluent. Part 7, the biggest mistake learners make. The biggest mistake is overthinking grammar while speaking. When building sentences, focus on 1, subject 2, verb 3. Basic order perfection comes later. Fluency comes from building. Practice building small sentences daily. For example, describe your day. I woke up early. I had breakfast. I went to work. This is real sentence training. Part 8, How to Practice Sentence Building Daily. Here's a powerful exercise. Take one verb per day. For example, eat, build 10 sentences. I eat rice. I eat breakfast at 8. I eat healthy food. I eat when I'm stressed. I eat with my family. You just trained your brain to build structure. Do this daily. One verb, 10 sentences. Your sentence building skill will grow fast. Building English sentences is not about memorizing hundreds of rules. It's about understanding structure. Once you understand subject, verb, object, and once you respect word order, you can build thousands of sentences. Start simple. Build slowly, expand naturally. English is not difficult, it is structured. And now you understand that structure. If this lesson helped you understand sentence building more clearly, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more practical English lessons. Keep practicing, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.